Hello friends, today I am going to give you a small review of this xppen Deco Mini 7 pen tablet. This is the particular model Deco Mini 7. The reason why I have chosen this tablet I am going to discuss in this video. As you can see the size, it is of around 7 inch. Most of the pen tablets that come in this range are of mostly 6 inches, and at the same time it offers a Type-C connectivity feature. Then see, this particular pen tablet has some assignable 8 buttons. All these 8 buttons you can assign number of actions as per your choice in the software that comes with this pen tablet. I have already unboxed this tablet. As you can, what you will see inside this wire. The quality of this wire is also very sturdy. This is not easily breakable. As you can see, this end you will have to insert on the pen tablet, and the other end you have a USB port. And for this, xppen comes with 2 converters. If you are using your old phone, then you can use this micro USB, or if you are using a Type-C device, then you can use this Type-C converter. Now in my case, this become very useful for me, as I am using a MacBook which comes with a Thunderbolt Type-C port. You can insert it like this. I have already used this tablet with my MacBook. I did not find any lag while using the tablet. As you can see, the pen quality of this pen is also very good. It comes with 2 buttons. As you can see, these are very tactile button, and these 2 buttons can also you can assign actions for this 2 buttons. In my case, I have used scroll up and scroll down. Generally the default option is one is for eraser and one is for right click, but I have changed this because most of the time I used to go through some documents. If you assign scroll up and scroll down, then you don't have to use the laptop touchpad all the time. What you can do, you can scroll up and scroll down, or if you need to write something, you can write or you can highlight. And this tablet comes with a number of nibs. You can change the tip also. How you can change the tip? They have given one tip remover tool. What you can do, you will have to affix it here. I think it is visible on camera. You need to affix it here and pull it up. When you will pull it, it will come out and you can insert new nib. So friends, I don't want to make this video extra long. In my next videos, I'll be showing how you can use this tablet with a number of applications like Microsoft OneNote and number of other graphic applications where you can use like Photoshop also. I'll be showing you. Not only for study purpose, you can use it for digital painting as well. I'll be showing a number of free softwares, and for note taking I'll be showing OneNote also. So this is all for this video, friends. If you like this video, then please do like the video and subscribe the channel also. It will encourage me to come up with some other videos. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Thanks a lot.